parang kundi dito.
Oo. Wala.
Sa'yo, pwede mo ka din.
Hindi.
I-style mo kasi. Yung ano na.
Ano ba yung
Hindi, yung swag. Hindi na lang matigas mo. Depende sa
Ay, bye-bye. Bye-bye hair. Ay, sanay na ako sa natibo. Okay. Summer.
Summertime, right?
Yeah, of course.
Nasa pa rin
And very hot in your country, so I don't know how you guys survive long
You
here.
like the weather?
It's too hot for me. Yeah.
It's too hot?
Yeah. It's just way too hot.
Nasa bahay lang ako.
You've been here just for the hairstyle, haircut?
Yeah, a little bit of a vacation as well.
Yeah?
Yeah. But I didn't go to any of the beaches, which next time I must do, you know. I thought the beaches are close, you know, you could travel by car there, maybe, but it's, they all said I have to fly, and
How about Puerto Galera?
I don't know what that is. What is that? Is it?
Yeah, it's a beach also in Mindanao. No, in Mindoro.
Okay.
It's very easy to go there.
From here?
Yeah.
That's great.
Or Batangas, La Ia.
Yun na ba yan? Pinili mo? Sige nga, pag ano mas maganda. Pag maganda, tingnan natin natin. Pwede. Oh, see, isa dito. Ano sa namin?
Ito, straight kasi
Hindi ni dito ba eh.
maganda eh.
Kasi kasi buhok mo aming buhok ha. Yun lang.